If you are cruising out of Tampa and need the perfect pre-cruise hotel, this one might be for you. Today I'm staying at Home2 Suites by Hilton, Tampa Downtown Channel District, just minutes from the cruise port, and I'm going to show you exactly why this is such a convenient stay. First things first, location is everything. This hotel is only about a half a mile away from Port of Tampa Bay, which means you're just a quick walk, Uber, or short shuttle ride, did I say free shuttle ride, away from your cruise terminal. And it gets even better. Right across the street, you've got a CVS for any last minute pre-cruise essentials, plus a Starbucks, literally inside the hotel. This is one of those stress-free pre-cruise setups. Let's check out the suite. One of the biggest highlights here is that every room is a suite, so you're getting way more space than a typical hotel room. You've got a full kitchenette with fridge, microwave, dishwasher, and a sink, a separate living area with a sofa bed, a large TV and workspace, and plenty of storage with their signature working wall. This is perfect if you're traveling with family, packing for a cruise, or just want space to spread out before embarkation day. Honestly, it feels more like a mini apartment than a hotel room. Now let's talk about the common spaces. Upstairs is a rooftop pool with a great view of downtown Tampa, plus a patio area where you can relax the night before your cruise. There's also a fitness center, business work areas, and lobby space that's actually comfortable to hang out in. And yes, there's a Starbucks right on site, which is a huge win for cruise morning. Another major perk, free breakfast. They offer a complimentary hot breakfast daily with things like waffles, breakfast sandwiches, fruit, yogurt, coffee, and juice. Perfect for fueling up before heading to the port without spending any extra money. The price is right for this hotel. My stay was maybe around $200, which is pretty economical pre-cruise. This hotel is all about convenience. You've got CVS across the street for toiletries, drinks, or forgotten items. It's walkable to some really good restaurants nearby, and you're close enough to the port that some people even walk. There's even a cruise shuttle option and park and cruise packages available, which makes embarkation day super easy. And can I say the pre-cruise the pre-cruise shuttle was free? Yes, a free shuttle to the port just for your convenience with 15-minute increments of time that the shuttle runs between the hotel and to the cruise port. So if you're cruising out of Tampa and want space, free breakfast, walkable convenience, and super close proximity to the port, this is definitely a hotel you should consider. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other cruise hotel reviews. This is Steve with C. Thanks for traveling with me. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.